Kids TV.
Hello, Happy Kids! Welcome to Fun and Learn!
Hi, Grandma!
What are we doing today? Today, we are going to have fun with slime!
Yay! Slime, slime, slime! What do we have here? Blue slime, pink slime, yellow slime, and green colored slime. Let's take the blue slime. Okay. Take your fingers in.
Ew! That's so sticky.
What's inside? Dig, dig, dig. Okay, all the slime's out. Now start cleaning. Oh, wow. I know what that is. But let's take more of the slime off. It's a unicorn! Okay, now we take out the green slime.
It's sticking to your fingers.
Okay, what do we have here? Another unicorn!
Unicorn!
Now for the yellow slime.
It has sparkles. Can you see the sparkles, Sharky?
Yes!
Look! Can you see it now?
Yeah. Oh, I see another unicorn.
And it's got pink hair.
So pretty.
Yes, it is. It's got hearts on its body.
Now for the pink slime. Put your fingers in and dig.
Oh, it's almost out. It's all out.
Okay. What do I see in there? Another unicorn!
Yes, and it's got purple hair. That was fun with slime. If you like that video, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And bye-bye. See you soon.